Science and technology has given a man a lot of advantages. Ease of access to information, saves time, ease mobility, better communication means, cost efficiency, innovations in many fields, improved banking. These are just few of the positive effects of modern science and technology, mainly towards industry and improving the life conditions of society. However, its negative impacts were also undeniable.
Apart from the constructive and creative characteristics, the modern science and technology have shown its other face, which is destructive and has driven a lot of distractions, bringing us to a place we don't ever want to be.
As science and technology evolves, the world also evolves in both good and bad ways. Yes, we are able to change human conditions positively across the world, but the benefits has been harvested maximum by all countries.
A renowned anthropologist Jason Haeckel expressed his concerns about the negative impacts of human addiction and greed towards growing economy.
Based on the concern of Jason Haeckel, he claimed that our addiction towards economic growth is killing us. He pointed out that we can have an infinite growth on a finite planet and that we are already surrounded by the consequences like global warming as we continue overshooting our planet's biocapacity.
You know, Haeckel was right. We humans are being captive to a common goal. It's the economy. And as we are busy collecting the raw materials we need at ease with technology, we ignore environmental and social costs. So why are we doing this? Well, it's because we aim for an easy life and that we feel flourishment to.
Aristotle's concepts of human flourishing are now different from today's concepts of human flourishing. Humans of today are expected to become a man of the world, working side by side among governments and institutions to reach common goal.
On a student's perspective, mainly we study for the sake of getting a job in the future and that job for the sake of money or our daily needs and wants. The kind of mentality we had usually hung on the financial problems. Though it's true that money is an important commodity in order to live, but we also forget the fact that it's not money which keeps us alive but nature itself.
Common concerns about the impacts of science and technology were already shared. Aristotle said that technology imitates nature, but also he argued that technology can go beyond nature through authentic human creativity and complete what nature can go to finish. Biomimetics that mimics biological processes, artificial intelligence, and many more are evident today. Martin Heidegger and C.S. Lewis shared common ideas about the danger that science and technology brings to our existence in behalf of using it as a tool to reach our goal of a good life.
Aristotle, Martin Heidegger, C.S. Lewis, Jason Haeckel, they dispel something in common that they want us to realize. It is that with universal pride, greed in humanity, we lack concerns for nature. We got blinded.
So long as we don't get to realize the true essence and the ultimate utility of technology, we will never get to see its relation to us. Just like when a student misuses a smartphone, it would bring a lot of negative results to what it's supposed. So a student must practice good behavior to build a strong mentality towards the essence of using technologies while we are still young.
After all, it's important to remember that how we live our lives would have a greater impact of how we would live in the future. What would we expect our future will be if we continue our negative behavior towards using technology to flourish our rights, failing to understand the essence of good life?
A good life is one spent in learning, earning, and yearning, but it actually depends on how individuals define good life. Good life seems to be a simple life. Happiness is there. Contentment is there. Yes, It's true that to better create innovative and creative solutions to the contemporary issues, we need the aid of science and technology. However, if we want too much, it will bring us no good. Just like Jason Hakel said, our addiction towards economic growth is killing us. Rich countries' overconsumption of Earth biocapacity is killing us in a way of losing our ethical perspective, depleting our natural resources, and making us vulnerable for environmental phenomenon. We lack of concern when we are blind. The one who ignores the seen, because considering it unseen, is the true blind. Humanity is blind indeed. So when will we remove the blindfold that blocks our concern willingly? There's a saying, why do we always choose known hells to unknown heavens? Think about that.